Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are safe. Dear students, in our last class we discussed about different types of nutrients. Is it? What all are they we discussed, children? We discussed about carbohydrates, protein, vitamin, fats and this much only, right? And 4 types of nutrients we already learned. Now I am going to teach you about 5th nutrient, which is that is mineral. Okay, so about vitamin we discussed what are the 6 types of vitamins is essential for our body, children. That is vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. So students, vitamin and minerals are type of a protective food. Okay, like in leafy vegetables and fruits, vitamin and minerals we can see that type of nutrients, right? And only less amount of mineral is essential for our body. And let's look what are the minerals. Calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. These are the main minerals needed our body. And let's look its sources and function also. The main sources of calcium and phosphorus rich foods are milk, vegetable, green leafy vegetable. Okay, these all are the rich of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, calcium and phosphorus are types of minerals. Okay, and what are the main function of this calcium and phosphorus in our body, children? For strengthening of our bones and teeth. Okay, it helps for strengthen our bones and teeth. Next we can check about iron. What are the main sources of iron, children? In which type of food we can see iron? That is spinach, apple and pulses. These are the spinach, apple and pulses. These are the different types of iron rich food. And the main function of this iron in our body, it helps the formation of hemoglobin. Formation of hemoglobin in our blood. What is hemoglobin, children? That is red pigment of our blood, hemoglobin. And hemoglobin is a pigment that is seen in our blood. Okay, like that, what is the type of pigment we can see in plants for getting green color? That is, yes, you already know that. What it is? Chlorophyll. Okay, very good. Here it is hemoglobin. So iron helps for formation of hemoglobin in our blood and also it protects us from infection. Okay, so these are the main function of iron rich food. Then what about iodine rich food, children? Commonly we say like that iodine salt. So salt and seafoods like prawn, fish, these are the main example for iodine rich food. Okay, so clear all of you. These are the different types of minerals. What are they? Calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine also. And you have to be learn the sources of these minerals and functions also have to be learned thoroughly. Okay, and what is the function of this mineral? It helps for the normal growth of our body. Normal growth of our body. Clear all of you? So let's check what is balanced diet. So students, all these types of minerals, vitamin, carbohydrate, protein and fats, we have to must include our diet, right? Then only we will become healthy and strong, right? So what is balanced diet, children? That is a diet that contains all these type of nutrients, water and roughage in our food. That is balanced diet. So students, lack of these nutrients will cause some diseases like marasmus, kwashiorkor, night blindness, like that. More about that diseases we can learn it. So lack of balanced diet food or lack of nutrients will cause deficiency diseases, right? So what is deficiency diseases, children? So deficiency diseases means that is overgrowth of our body or less growth of our body or swelling in our leg and arms and night blindness. These all are the many examples. We can check one by one. Look at the picture. So students, in our textbook, reader page number 231, in that pink color box clearly mentioned about deficiency diseases and its symptoms. We can go through it. Okay, so here nutrients, proteins, What are the deficiency diseases of protein? That is kwashiorkor and marasmus. Lack of protein will cause kwashiorkor and marasmus. What are the symptoms of these diseases, children? That is stunted growth. We can see the picture, stunted growth, swollen stomach and ankles. Look at the boy. Then physical weakness, that body. Then next is iodine. Lack of iodine cause goiter. That is a type of diseases. And what are the symptoms of this goiter? In our neck, we can see like that. Swelling in the front and side of neck. Okay, that is the thyroid gland will become swell. That is goiter. Okay. Then lack of vitamin A will cause night blindness. That is inability to see properly at night or in poor light. We cannot see the objects at night. That is night blindness. That's why we have to eat vitamin A rich food. What are the vitamin A rich food, children? Did you remember that one? Yes, carrot, like that food. Okay. Then vitamin B. Which type of deficiency diseases will cause? That is beriberi. B. Vitamin B. Beriberi. What are the symptoms, children? Look at the picture of that leg. Numbness in the arms and legs. Then swelling in the hands and feet. Look at that, hands. Then vitamin C. What is the deficiency? That is scurvy. The disease's name is scurvy. And swollen and bleeding the gums. Look at the picture. Swollen and bleeding gums. Okay. And reduced appetite and weak joints. Then vitamin D. The deficiency diseases of vitamin D is rickets. Rickets symptoms mainly inability of the legs to support the weight of the body. Inability of the legs to support the weight of the body. Look at the picture. That leg is very lean and it cannot support the weight of the body. Bent legs or ball legs, we called it as a. Clear all of you? So when you are learning the nutrients name and the deficiency, you have to be use this pink color box in your textbook, and it is very easy to learn deficiency and symptoms. Clear? So all should have to read the chapter 3 times and do one activity. That is, you have to take the picture of or draw the picture of food items and which nutrients will come under the food item. Suppose when you are taking the carrot, type of nutrients, that is vitamin A, carrot, like that. So what all are the food items you have to draw, that you can draw in the picture, or you can take the picture and paste it in your notebook and write the nutrient name in your notebook itself. Clear? So I'm going to wind up this chapter. All should have to read the chapter 3 times, and we can meet in our next class. Thank you.